Hello, welcome to Usborne Books with Laura. This is our Lift the Flap questions and answers about space book. It has over 60 flaps to lift. And all of these questions are where, why, who, which, yes or no, how, and what. So let's take a look at the where. Where have people visited in space? And then all you do is just lift the flap and then it gives you the answer right there. Where is our planet in space? Where do astronauts go to school? Here's what. What's inside a space station? Everything astronauts need to live and work. So I like this because the questions and answers are all very concise. As you can see, the illustrations are really fun, really engaging for kids. I like it because since the answers are so concise, it really gives you a chance to practice researching with your kids or encouraging them to dig deeper into different topics. Like, how many people have been to the moon? Only 12 in total, and nobody has been to the moon since 1972. That's over 40 years ago. So from there, where can you take this? You can look up which people have been to the moon, and they can research which 12 astronauts have been. Why do they think that nobody has been there since 1972? That's something that involves some critical thinking. Also, for writing practice, you can have them write what they would do if they went to the moon and how they think the moon looks. Or also draw. Who first walked on the moon? Who invented rockets? Who planned space missions? Who was the first woman in space? Woo woo. Valentina trained as a skydiver before she became a cosmonaut. Valentina Tereshkova. I probably totally massacred that, but she is from Russia in 1963. So it's obviously very cool because parents can also learn. Yes or no. Are all planets made of rock? And then the answers are either a yes or no. Is there anyone in space right now? Are there aliens in outer space? Ooh. Buy the book and you will find the answer out to that one. Which telescope can see the furthest? Which stars are the hottest? And then there's some did you know facts here. This is a board book, so it's very sturdy. I love the flaps because these are also really sturdy as well, and they can handle many, many turns, as your child will no doubt be in love with this book. This is $14.99, and it is part of our questions and answers about space series. Thanks for watching.